Hey family, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley. If you do not already know, this is AMLDtv. Welcome. This is the cooking edition. We are going to be cooking healthy chicken, let me reverse. Healthy, cheesy chicken spaghetti. Are you ready to get into this video? It takes no more than 30 minutes prep time. Could take maybe even 5, depending on how quickly you move your hands. And it's healthy, y'all. We will be using wheat pasta, onions. We will have stewed tomatoes. We will have garlic, all that good stuff. Worcester sauce, lean chicken, all of that. Are you ready to learn? Are you ready to make a meal that your kids won't make a big deal or fuss about? Well, you've clicked on the right video. Now let's get into it. Hey y'all, so as you can see, I'm going to be popping in and out to give you guys step-by-step direction. You're going to need your stewed tomatoes, your Italian flaxseed seasoning, olive oil spray, sea salt, chopped onions, roasted garlic, Worcester sauce, and your choice of cheese. This is the Mexican blend, but do what you can do. And also, don't forget the chicken thighs, or if you like shredded, that's fine too. Just make use of what you have. Now let me put y'all on to the trick. If you add some olive oil to your water while your noodles are cooking, okay, your noodles will not stick, and it's awesome, so do that. And as you can see, I'm putting half of my spaghetti, into the pot. And low-key, I was supposed to wait till the water was boiling. Don't be like me, but you gotta do what you gotta do sometimes. And now, let me introduce you to the future. Now I'm using this cool, futuristic can opener. Y'all, it's called One Touch. You literally touch it once and it does the job for you. Wow, I know, right? We've added our tomatoes and our onions into the pan. You're just going to let it simmer for some time. I'm adding some sea salt to it. I'm also going to add some garlic. And you just let it cook nicely, and you'll know when it's done by the way that the sauce tastes. So when you taste it and your face scrunches, that means it's not done. It's still raw. But when you taste it and it actually tastes like cooked food, then you know it's done. Trust me, you'll know the difference when you cook this. So now we are going to cut the chicken into bite-sized pieces, or I guess to your personal liking. Me personally, I think about, okay, if I have a fork in my hand and I'm about to eat my spaghetti, how big would I want this chicken to be? You know, just cut it. Like, I'm so goofy. Just cut it until you're satisfied, until you're happy with the size. So as I was cooking this, I noticed the chicken wasn't seasoned to my liking. So if this happens, it's not too late. You can still season while it's in the pan as well. As you can see, I am adding some chili powder and Italian flaxseed seasoning, and yeah, I just put a bunch on there, you know, because we don't do bland on this channel, okay? Not on AMLDtv. So yeah, just season it to your liking. So now we are just allowing everything to cook, you know? Just let it cook. Just let it take its time. This is how cooked tomato looks. And the chicken is just sizzling. Don't forget to put the olive oil in your 8x8 pan before you do anything. So now we're gonna add the pasta. Dump the chicken in there real real nicely right on top. Get every piece. You're gonna add your tomato. And I know it looks chunky, but as you mix it, the moisture sets in and it just makes the perfect consistency. So just mix it all in there real nicely. Dun, da, da, da. My favorite part, the cheese. Thank you, Jesus. Lord, we love you. Put it all in there. Don't be stingy. Just put it all in there, you know? Yes, it's about to bless these plates. Amen. Y'all are already knowing how I feel about my flavor, so if you would like a little bit more Italian seasoning on top, great, put it on there. I would, hold off on the sodium, but this does not have sodium in it, so perfect for the cause. And you're just gonna now heat the oven to about 350, and then from there, we wait 12 minutes, and that's that. So this is the before. Minutes later. La da da. I used to love SpongeBob growing up. But it's done, y'all. It's done. We did that. You see? We did that. And that's how you make chicken spaghetti. I hope you guys enjoy as much as I did. If you like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you would like to see next time. As usual, have a blessed day, the AMLDtv way. Alright now, y'all.